Good afternoon, members of the NECC community, including staff, families, board members, and friends of the center. This is my fifth message to our community, and it's Tuesday, April 7th, almost noon. We're now in the fifth week of the coronavirus crisis in Massachusetts. Undoubtedly, due to our rapid implementation of preparedness measures across the New England Center, at this moment, we do not have any student cases of COVID. That will certainly change, and we're ready with plans to isolate positive students quickly and professionally. To date, amazingly, we have had 100 staff volunteer to provide care and supervision on a potential COVID isolation unit should the need arise for us to isolate students who have the virus but are not showing symptoms so severe that they require hospitalization. We currently have a few cases of staff who have tested positive for the coronavirus. We've been able to contain the spread of the COVID to other staff members and students through our preparedness measures. We also now have been provided by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts our own testing kits, and we can test people rapidly and get those results processed rapidly at the State Department of Public Health lab. The Commonwealth has identified the New England Center as a high priority essential service, serving individuals who could not be served elsewhere beside the New England Center for Children. Therefore, we're receiving high priority support from the state in terms of availability of tests, quick processing of results, and equipment and materials that we may need as time goes by. I've been assured that the state will stand behind our efforts by continuing the supply of test kits and equipment and materials, as well as funding for the emergency measures we've taken. Thanks to our nursing department and their support staff and our nurse practitioners, Jean, Janice, and Steph, we've been able to keep a highly professional oversight of all of our students, and their flexibility and support during this uncertain time has been truly admirable. We certainly could not do that without all of our nursing team and all of our teachers throughout the agency. We've been astonished by the support for our residential teams from everyone associated with the New England Center for Children. All 900 employees, all our families and friends. Following the CDC's recommendation to wear cloth masks, we had countless staff, families, and friends of NECC band together to sew and donate hundreds of masks. I want to thank all families and friends of NECC who've reached out to provide us with leads for much needed personal protective equipment, purchasing pre-cooked meals for the residences, and for your financial support, which we are going to continue to need. If you'd like to donate any personal protective equipment, please reach out to Jared Bozan, our development officer, at jbozan@necc.org, who's handling all the material and monetary donations. As a reminder, our virtual 5K is just a little over a month away. Please sign up online or join a team today. For more information about the virtual 5K or how to donate to support NECC, please visit our website, www.necc.org. Our direct care staff continue to show up every day and are taking every precaution to guard against the spread of COVID-19. It is because of your caution, your willingness to avoid others, your consistency with our preparedness and response guidelines, that this virus has not yet spread to a large pool of our staff or students. Thank you to the 62 staff members who have moved into extended stay hotel rooms. I urge any staff who live with family, roommates, significant others, or other NEC staff members to move into one of our extended stay rooms. We still have rooms available. If you're interested, please fill out the box link in yesterday's staff email. This is one of the most important ways that we can protect our first responders, you, the teaching staff of the New England Center for Children. The next few weeks are unquestionably going to be challenging since the virus continues to spread rapidly throughout the United States. We'll continue to plan for the inevitable and communicate all new information rapidly. Always complete transparency so everyone knows what they're getting into. I urge each member of the New England Center community to follow all the recommendations from the scientists. Stay home, practice social distancing, wash your hands, don't go out a lot. Do whatever you can so that we can all together keep the kids safe. Those of you on our staff who are working in the houses every day, who have volunteered to serve in an isolation unit for kids who have already been infected, all of you are showing a courage and bravery that is answering the call at a time when we are all in a very big crisis. Certainly, your generation has stepped up, and all of us are stepping up to make sure that we continue to operate a safe program for our kids who have nowhere else to go. Again, thank you so much for your service, and we'll be back in a few days with more updates as events warrant.